Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make garlic noodles. The ingredients that you need are 1 pound of thick spaghetti, a 1/4 cup of garlic, 4 tablespoons of butter, you can use salted or unsalted, garlic salt, oyster sauce or vegetarian mushroom oyster sauce, and Parmesan cheese. Start off by cooking your spaghetti according to its package instructions, and while that's cooking we can go ahead and prepare the garlic using a mortar and pestle, or you can just chop it up. I'm going to mince mine. And then in a pan I'm going to melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted, go ahead and add in all your garlic. Season with 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of Parmesan cheese. Mix everything together, and then now it's time to add in the spaghetti. Combine everything until everything is well coated. And that's all to it. Now you're ready to plate. You can eat it alone or as a side dish. Enjoy!